what kind of fruits and vegetables do I have in my garden? What does a frugivore plant in his own Garden of Eden? I have been living for 16 years of fruits and vegetables, and I love fruit. You can tell that, right? If I didn't, I wouldn't be living out of fruits and vegetables for 16 years, right? Also, for sure, it's because of my health, but it's because I love them. I love what nature can give us, the different textures, aromas, flavors, and shapes, and nutrients. So check it out to see what do I have planted in my garden, so you can plant as well and look for these kind of fruits. So the first one, it's coconuts, right? Like, I love coconuts, but everybody knows them. And the only problem with coconuts in natural organic production is that it's some small bees. They try to eat the coconuts and put like eggs inside of them. So some of them end up not producing coconuts. So people usually put poison. I'm trying to find a natural way to not use pesticides or things like that, right? So here's oranges, sugarcane, we have papaya growing over there. This is Monstera deliciosa. It's actually costela de Adão, the name of the plant in Portuguese, but it gives like Monstera deliciosa. It's like a green fruit, so tasty, so tasty. Another orange, this is on the sapote family. It's actually Colombian sapote. These are pitayas, two kinds of different pitayas that we use in here. Canistel, avocados. This is actually on the Annona family. Araticum. It's on the Annona family. I don't know the name in English, but I think it's Araticum. Also, it's like a big Annona, and the meat on the inside is yellow, and on the outside it's caramel dark brown, I think. Here is cassava. My father used to plant, so I just leave it there. Here we have raspberry tree. It's like giant Portugal raspberry tree. The raspberry is quite bigger than usual. Green figs, we're still pretty young. Sapote or sapodilla, it's like really sweet caramel, brown sugar and pear, like a pear cooked with brown sugar and cinnamon. Mamey sapote, sour sop. I have actually to clean it, but this is Rollinia. Black sapote, I think this is a canistel. Egg fruits. The black sapote is growing pretty good, pretty well. You can tell by the leaves and by the development. It's not being near yet that I planted it, and it's already like this. Abil, sour sop, avocado trees, pretty small yet. It's still white sapote, wild guava from Brazil. It's araçá. It's a guava cousin, yellow dragon fruit, cashew, different kinds of lemons, avocados, mamey sapote. Pineapples. Another Rollinia that is called Beribá here. This is pink custard apple. I never tasted it, but people say that this is the best custard apple there is. Pears, a lot of mangoes. See, they're blossom. Banana trees. Look at these mangoes. There's like 10 varieties of mangoes, so many varieties of bananas. Some trees I don't even know what there is. We planted like 5 years ago. I just bought a lot from producers, and I really don't remember the name of the plant, and still not giving fruit, so I have to wait for a while. So I have mini jackfruits here, miracle fruits, different kinds of figs, more mamey sapote, persimmons, marang. I just threw all the trash into really close to the trunk of the tree. Why? Because the trash in the fruit and vegetable diet is actually their nourishment. It's the peels, the seeds, and all the parts of the fruit that we discarded, I throw as compost to them. I don't compost the whole thing before throwing the blackened soil because it would take too much time, and I don't have too much time to invest on the garden. So I just do like that. There is like a different variety of sugar apple that is actually pink as well. We call fruta da condessa. Check this out. Tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes. Look at this. Chives, onion, leeks, oregano, coriander, like, you know, like celery, so many stuff. Spinach, a chili bush, mangoes that just fell out of the tree. This is a sapodilla. It just gave a first fruits. It's actually in the kitchen. I show in the other video that you can click on the description what's in my fridge, or in the other video as well, my top 10 favorite fruits. So oranges, tangerines, sempejac, brown and black figs. And there we have sweet lemon. There's a hair kind of lemon that actually looks more like an orange and a tangerine and sweets. Cavendish, papaya, the purple bananas over there. Actually, the trunk of the tree of the banana is actually purple as well, right? And I was changing things here so the sapote tree can grow. Check this out. This is sapote, one of my favorite fruits in the world. It's quite tasty. There's actually a lot of pitayas also. They're already giving a lot of fruit in the season around the whole place. First of all, subscribe, hit the like button, press the bell so you can get the notifications. Don't forget to comment, give it a thumbs up, share. People need to know this message, need to know that fruits and vegetables can heal us and can heal the planet. So if you want my help as a raw food nutritionist, I attend patients online. We have 9 books published in Portuguese that will be translated to English. We run raw food, health food retreats, and also we have 6 courses online that will also be translated to English. See you soon. Click these videos to see more about raw food nutrition.